Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking the stakes and revealing the hook immediately. Explain why this story matters to your audience in one crisp line, then pick one vivid opening image that embodies the conflict. Once done, set the point of view and the emotional goal so every choice supports that arc. Make sure to write one short paragraph that shows consequence, then draft the first 200 words focusing only on sensory detail and tension, no exposition yet. You now escalate by arranging scenes as cause and effect, so each moment naturally increases pressure. Explain why actions matter by connecting small choices to larger consequences. Use contrast to make stakes visible. Once the structure exists, layer motive into behavior. Show it through reactions, specific gestures, or recurring images rather than explicit statements. Make sure to tighten pacing. Cut any line that doesn't push the narrative forward, and add micro-conflicts to sustain interest until you finish by ensuring the resolution answers the central question and delivers an emotional payoff linked to the opening stakes. Make sure the protagonist's interchange is visible, so the ending feels earned rather than convenient. After drafting, read for clarity. If readers ask questions, simplify or reorder the scenes to make cause-effect explicit. If pacing drags, trim or combine scenes. If the ending feels hollow, revisit the opening hook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.